One, it is I said that Harike wetland in Punjab. Which wetland I said that? Harike wetland. And wetland, yesterday I made you to understand wetlands are largest ecosystem survivor. And then it is an I said that it is in a kidneys nature. It is known as what? And another it is I said that Harike reservoir. Harike reservoir. And from the Harike reservoir, Indira Gandhi canal, from the Harike reservoir, वहां पे थोड़ा सा डैम बनाया गया. And reservoir means only holding the water. Electricity is not being produced. Okay, I said that ध्यान से देखेंगे, you can see here which river is coming? Satluj. बोला करेंगे आप Satluj. And from here which river? Byas. Understood? They are meeting at Harike. And from the Harike, there is an Harike wetland, and from here I said that Indira Gandhi canal from there, Harike reservoir se. Indira Gandhi canal. So it is moving in Punjab and some portion in Haryana. Some portion in, and thereafter largest portion in dry region of Rajasthan and coming to Badmer region. One of the world longest, I said that canal. Which canal I said that? अब ये बताओ, जब मैं आऊंगा राजस्थान में complete irrigation, cotton textile, cotton growth, everything is happening. Understood it? So which canal has been originated? Indira Gandhi canal. And how many states it is crossing? Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Understood it? How many states it is crossing? Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan. And longest in which state? Thereafter Punjab. And then comparatively it is less in the what? Haryana. Understood it? ये पूरा इन्फिल्ट्रेशन रीजन है, आपको पता है ना, पाकिस्तान इन्फिल्ट्रेशन. और यहाँ पे यदि डेवलपमेंट हो जाए तो इन्फिल्ट्रेशन कैन बी स्टॉप्ड. एग्रीकल्चरल डेवलपमेंट, वाटर से एग्रीकल्चरल डेवलपमेंट, इन दिस रीजन इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट, एंड देन यू कैन आंसर योर ओन आंसर बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. क्लियर? गॉट इट? सो आई सेड दैट, समझ में आ गया? ब्यास रिवर. अगेन आई सेड दैट ब्यास एंड रावी ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम रोहतांग पास. And Byas river, I said that it is making Pando Dam and Pong Dam. Pong Dam is known as Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake and it is also wetland. It enter into Punjab and it is, I said that it is meeting with Satluj river, and then Satluj river becomes, and then I said that there is a Harike Harike wetland and Harike reservoir. Through the Harike reservoir, canal has been originated which is helping in the benefit of 3 states. Punjab, Haryana and then Rajasthan. World, one of the longest canal. Understood it? Completely okay in your mind? Next one we are coming for Ravi river. Understood? And the Ravi river originated from Rohtang Pass and it is moving like this. और यहाँ से बड़ा कौन है? सतलुज और ब्यास. Yes, tell me, कौन दोनों में से बड़ा है? Which river is main river? And then Satluj, it moves in the name of Satluj. In the Pakistan, Punjab, it entered into Pakistan, Punjab. And then which river is this? Ravi. And the Ravi river originated from the same, and then thoda sa Punjab mein aata hai, and then it is in Pakistan, and then Pakistan, Punjab, and it meet with again Satluj river in Pakistan. Byas river is meeting in Punjab, Pakistan. Ravi river is meeting in, tell me. Yes, and this is Ravi river. Understood? Ravi river has also 2 dams. Ravi river has also 2 dams. Understood? And the one dam I said that Chamera, and another it is I said that Thin dam. Which are the dam I said that? Chamera, and then I said Thin. Chamera dam and Thin dam. Which dam I said that? Chamera, and another I said that Thin dam. Understood? Spelling दिख रहा है thin का? T-H-E-I-N. अच्छा, you know that when you read about in the history about the Sikhism, Anglo-Sikh War and all, there is a Raja Ranjit Singh and there is a Raja Dalip Singh is. क्या? अच्छा, ये लोग मोटे मोटे थे या पतले पतले थे? हाँ, मोटे मोटे थे, तो फिर लड़ाई कैसे करते? वो लोग क्या थे? थीन थे. क्या थे? यस. तो थीन डैम इज नोन एज रंजीत सागर डैम. थीन डैम, तो ध्यान से देखेंगे. आई सेड दैट पहला है चमेरा डैम. च फॉर चमेरा, च फॉर चंबा. इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट? चंबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. याद है ना? च फॉर चमेरा, च फॉर चंबा. एंड इन द पंजाब गुरदासपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट आप देखेंगे, जहां पे पठानकोट आपने देखा होता है इन्फिल्ट्रेशन. देयर इज एन, आई सेड दैट दिस इज चमेरा डैम एंड दिस इज, आई सेड दैट थीन डैम. एंड थीन डैम को क्या बोलते हैं? रंजीत सागर लेक या रंजीत सागर डैम. Understood? Ranjit Sagar Dam. Understood it? Yes. So which are we have been able to see? Yes, tell me first. Satluj River originated from Mansarovar Akash Lake, entering into India or Himachal Pradesh through Sipkila Pass. First dam, Nathuram Godse, Nathpa. And thereafter I said that Bhakhra Dam in Bilaspur, and then coming into Punjab, Nangal Dam. Completely okay. Thereafter I said Byas and Ravi River originated from Rohtang Pass. Byas River is making Pando and Pong. Pong Dam is in a wetland and is also known as Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake or Dam. Understood? And thereafter Byas and Satluj meet together in the Punjab at Harike, and there is two things are there: Harike wetland and Harike reservoir. Through the Harike reservoir, the world famous Indira Gandhi Canal has been originated and passing through Punjab, little bit Haryana and longest in Rajasthan. Understood? Till Barmer. Till Barmer I have shown you. Understood? The whole desert region it is crossing, whole arid region it is crossing. And therefore the development in this region. Thereafter I talked about Ravi River. Ravi River originated from Rohtang Pass and it is passing through Chamba district in this one Chamera Dam. And in the Punjab region, it is making what? Theen Dam. It is also known as Ranjit Sagar Dam. Understood it? And then now, अब कैसे आप याद करोगे? On the Ravi River, Ravi means I have said Ravi. You know that in our India and tropical region, Ravi is very hard. Ravi heating is more, sun rain heating is more. And in the colder region, sun heating is less. Therefore, it is colder. So when the रावी इट इज कमिंग, तो जहां पे आप कोल्डर रीजन में जाओगे तो देयर इज एन स्किन इज वेरी थिक. यस और नॉट? बट इन इंडिया स्किन कैसा होता है? थिन. वहां पे थिक हो जाता है बिकॉज देयर इज एन फैट सो दैट दे कैन फाइट विद द कोल्डनेस. इन आवर इंडिया देयर इज एन कोल्डनेस इज लेस, देयरफॉर इट इज व्हाट? लेस फैट्स आर देयर. सो थिन होता है. तो चमड़ा कैसा होता है? रवि की वजह से चमड़ा, बिकॉज ऑफ रवि वी हैव चमड़ा इज. सो कैन यू रिमेंबर चमेरा एंड थीन डैम? And Thin Dam is also known as Ranjit Sagar. Can you remember in your mind? So we can be able to see, I said that Byas River Pando Dam, and then it is making an what? Pong Dam. Pong Dam is also known as Maharana Pratap Sagar, or it is wetland. Then Ravi River, it is making which dam? Chamera in the Chamba. And then we can say that in the Pathankot Gurdaspur district, I said that it is which? Theen Dam, or it is also known as Ranjit Sagar. It is also known as, can you remember in your mind? And then which river is this? I have discussed Chenab. Satluj, Byas, Ravi, and the Chenab is originated from Rohtang. It is in Baralachala. याद है ना? चेन कितने पहने थे पपीलरी? Baralachala. And then I said that, and all the dams, if you know that Dulhasti, Bagliar, Swalkot, Salal, it is forming in Jammu and Kashmir. So we have done that. And this is Yamuna, and this is so which river originated from Himachal Pradesh? Byas, Ravi, Chenab. Satluj not. Satluj originated in Tibet. Clear? तो हिमाचल में मैंने बोला कहां से? तो हिमाचल से only this Byas, Ravi and Chenab. So they can ask anything, UPSC can ask anything. So you should know that UPSC is asking the question which is not written in the book. जाओ चेक करोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. It will not be written in the book. Understood it? Now we are going to see National Highway, NH. So there are the three national highways famous are there, NH20, NH21 and NH22. Which are the three national highway? NH20, NH21, NH22. Understood? याद रहेगा. And in the Jammu and Kashmir we have seen 1A, 1B and 1D. 1C भी था, it is going towards, I said that Muzaffarabad side, means in the POM, Azad Kashmir. Understood? So 1A, 1B and 1D. And here we are going to see, I said that NH20. आपको अभी मैंने बताया था, this is Pathankot. If you are in the Punjab, Pathankot, and you have to go to Mandi. So Pathankot to Mandi, which national highway? NH20. Understood? Can you remember? Pathankot to Mandi, which highway I said? ये पहले याद कराएंगे, उसके बाद आपको नई वाली बताई जाएगी. क्योंकि it can be said like that, which national highway converted into this name. Understood? So I said that, which national highway said that? NH20. Can you remember? Which national highway said that? और कहाँ से कहाँ मूव कर रहा है? Pathankot to Mandi. Can you remember? And NH21, Article 21. What is Article 21? Huh? Life and yes, personal liberty of your life and all. हाँ? जो भी है, प्राइवेसी ले और जो भी मर्जी है, प्राइवेसी तो नहीं रहता है. यस, लाइफ में जब शादी हो जाता है ना, तो प्राइवेसी नहीं रह जाता. आप नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल 21, जिस दिन शादी हो जाती है ना, आर्टिकल 21 ब्रीच हो जाता है, पर्सनल लिबर्टी नहीं रहती है. और वो आर्टिकल 21 से होता है. लोग जनरली आफ्टर द मैरिज गोज टू द मनाली. सो दिस आर्टिकल 21 मिस NH21 goes to Manali. So I said that this is Pathankot and this is, I said that, Mandi. Then I said that NH21, very beautiful place to the very beautiful place. Start from Chandigarh. Start from, understood? And this one is, I said that, Ropar, Rupnagar. And this one I said that, Bilaspur. And through the Mandi it goes to Kullu. Maybe after the marriage I have gone. And then I have taken Delhi से NH1. NH1 दिल्ली से होते हुए हरियाणा, सोनीपत, पानीपत, करनाल, कुरुक्षेत्र होते हुए there it comes to the Jalandhar. But after that this road has been taken 21. Okay? 1 and then 21. So if you have to go to Manali, the two national highways we have to cross. NH1 and so Jalandhar के बाद आपने देखा था 1A जाता है. Yes or not? So this is the way 1 comes. And from there after it is 21. So what is the 21? NH21? Chandigarh, Rupnagar. Then I said that Bilaspur, able to locate Bilaspur. And then Mandi. And after Mandi it goes to Kullu Manali. Understood it? NH21. What is the National Highway 20? Pathankot to Mandi. NH20. And Article 21. Chandigarh, beautiful place to beautiful place. But last time. And वैसे तो enjoy, मैं मजे करता हूँ. I said that Chandigarh. Then I said that Ropar, Bilaspur, Mandi, and then Kullu Manali. Can you remember? Next one again, another beautiful place, Shimla. And then I said that from the Haryana, NH22, and this NH22 directly goes to the Sipkila Pass. यदि आपको कभी जाना हो, एंट्री करना हो पाकिस्तान साइड, so I said that, which I said? This is an I said that in the Ambala. Which district I said that? और यहीं पे अम्बाला in the Haryana, and thereafter there is a Kalka. चला? कभी सुना होगा कालका? In the लोग सोचते हैं कहाँ कालिका? Kalka is in Haryana, at the Shivalik range, just at the Shivalik range. Haryana. So in the Haryana, which are the two I said that? Ambala Kalka, then Simla and Sipkila pass per Rampur. Which one I said that? NS22. NS22, how it goes? Ambala, Kalka, yes? Ambala, Kalka, Simla and Rampur. Understood it? Ambala, Kalka and Sipkila. Understood? Ambala, Kalka, Shimla and Rampur. Understood? At the border of China, Indo-China border. Understood? Clear? NS20. कहाँ से कहाँ तक है NS20? Pathankot to Mandi. Do not lose your chance. Pathankot to Mandi. NS21. Chandigarh, Ropar, Bilaspur. Yes, Bilaspur, Mandi, and then Kullu Manali. NS22. Ambala, Kalka, Shimla, Rampur. Completely okay. Sipkila pass पहुंच गए. NS this I said that Ambala, Kalka, Simla, then I said that Rampur. Able to locate? So, and we have seen, like I said, that Great Himalayan National Park yesterday we have done, and there is a Pin Valley or Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. We have seen yesterday. Understood? And then I said that gold placer deposit we have done yesterday. It is in the Simla and in Solan. Gold placer deposit. Geothermal energy. I said that